Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 25, when day of maturity is a holiday. Section 25 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 provides the rule to be followed when the day on which a promissory note or bill of exchange becomes payable happens to fall on a public holiday. The object of this provision is to ensure certainty in payment obligations and to avoid inconvenience or impossibility of performance on days when business transactions cannot ordinarily be carried out. 1. General Rule. Where a promissory note or bill of exchange reaches its maturity on a public holiday, the instrument does not become payable on that holiday. Instead, it is deemed to be due on the next preceding business day. This means that payment must be made on the last working day before the holiday, and not on the holiday itself. 2. Meaning of deemed to be due. The expression, deemed to be due, signifies that, by operation of law, the instrument is treated as if it had matured on the previous business day. The legal effect is that the holder is entitled to demand payment on that preceding working day, and the drawer or acceptor is required to honor the instrument accordingly. 3. Rationale behind the provision. The purpose of this rule is practical and commercial in nature. Since public holidays are days on which banks and business establishments are generally closed, it may not be possible to present or honor negotiable instruments. To prevent uncertainty or delay in payment, the law advances the due date to the immediately preceding business day. This ensures that the holder does not suffer loss due to non-payment on a holiday and that commercial transactions proceed smoothly without disruption. 4. Meaning of public holiday. The explanation to Section 25 clarifies that the expression, public holiday, includes all Sundays as well as any other day declared to be a public holiday by the central government through a notification published in the Official Gazette. Accordingly, both regular weekly holidays such as Sundays and specially notified holidays fall within the scope of this term. This ensures certainty in determining the applicable due date when maturity falls on a non-business day. 5. Practical illustration. If a bill of exchange matures on a Sunday, it will be deemed to be due on the immediately preceding Saturday, provided Saturday is not itself a public holiday. Similarly, if the maturity falls on a day declared as a public holiday by the central government, the instrument becomes payable on the previous working day. 6. Effect on commercial certainty. Section 25 establishes a clear and uniform rule for handling maturity dates that fall on holidays. By shifting the due date backward to the preceding business day, the provision safeguards the interests of both the holder and the party liable to pay, while maintaining certainty and efficiency in commercial dealings. For more details, contact us.